What if the thing you loved most could also pay your bills? In 2025, the rules of business have changed. The internet has leveled the playing field. AI is automating the boring stuff. And your passion? That might just be your greatest asset. This isn't just about quitting your job and chasing a dream. This is about building something real, sustainable, scalable, and fulfilling. Welcome to How to Turn Your Passion into a Profitable Business in 2025. Number 1, the era of the passion economy. For decades, passion was labeled as a side hustle, something you did in your spare time. But the last 10 years have flipped that thinking. Now, creators, solopreneurs, and everyday individuals are turning niche interests into 6- and 7-figure incomes. Platforms like YouTube, Medium, and Teachable have created a system where distribution is democratized. You don't need connections or capital. You need creativity and consistency. Whether you're into urban gardening, vintage watches, indie music reviews, or journaling, there's an audience for everything. The passion economy doesn't require you to be the best in the world. You just need to be valuable to someone. Number 2, finding the profitable angle. Passion alone isn't enough. The real key lies in finding your profitable angle, that intersection where your enthusiasm meets real demand. Ask yourself, what do people struggle with that I can help solve? What outcomes can I help them achieve faster or easier? For example, if you're passionate about cooking, are you best suited to teach beginner chefs, busy parents, or maybe fitness enthusiasts looking for healthy meal prep? Instead of casting a wide net, go deep. The riches are in the niches. Do photo editing for creators or teach smartphone photography to teens. The possibilities are endless, but success lies in solving a specific problem for a specific group of people. Number 3, building a personal brand. In 2025, personal brand isn't optional. It's your biggest asset. People follow people, not faceless businesses. They want to see your face, hear your voice, and know your story. This doesn't mean you have to share your entire life, but you do have to show up. You are the storyteller, the marketer, and the face of your brand. Whether you're publishing blogs, YouTube videos, podcasts, or Instagram reels. The more you share your journey, the more people relate to you. Document your process, even when you're just starting. That authenticity builds trust. And trust is what turns followers into customers. Number 4, using tech, tools, and AI to scale. In 2025, solopreneurs are operating like companies, thanks to tech. You now have access to tools that used to cost thousands, and you can use them for free or cheap. Content creation, visual design, need to automate email replies, onboarding, or social media? Zapier, Make, and Hootsuite are your friends. These tools aren't cheating. They're smart delegation. Let AI handle the repetitive work so you can focus on what matters, serving your audience and creating value. With the right stack, you can scale without burnout and look like a team of 10 while working solo. Number 5, the mindset shift. This journey isn't just about skills or tools, it's about mindset. Most people fail not because they don't have the talent, but because they give up too early. Fear of judgment, fear of failure, fear of looking foolish. But inaction is the biggest risk. You don't need to be fearless. You need to act despite fear. Progress comes from publishing, from launching that imperfect product, from making that first sale, even if it's just $10. That one win builds confidence, and confidence compounds. In 2025, the mindset of experimentation, consistency, and self-belief is your most valuable investment. Number 6, the power of community. Business isn't just about what you build, It's about who you build it with. In 2025, community is currency. Audiences are good. When you create a space where like-minded people connect, share, and grow, you stop being just a creator. You become a leader. Whether it's a Facebook group, a Telegram channel, a paid circle space, or a free Discord server, your community becomes your tribe. They give feedback. Want to build a business that lasts? Build a community that believes. Number 7, story selling, not just selling. In the noisy world of 2025, attention is hard to earn. So how do you stand out? But when your story aligns with your offer, that's story selling. Buy my product. Say, here's what I struggled with. Here's what helped me. And here's how it can help you too. Whether you're selling an ebook, coaching, or a candle, make people feel. Because when people feel seen, they trust you. And when they trust you, they buy from you. Number 8, navigating burnout and balance. Turning your passion into a business sounds like a dream. But here's the truth. When your work is your passion, burnout gets sneaky. You'll tell yourself you love it, but slowly, your health, your peace, your relationships might take the hit. In 2025, hustle culture is being replaced by sustainable creativity. It's okay to log off. It's okay to take breaks. Balance isn't a luxury. It's part of the strategy. Protect your energy, automate what you can, and build systems that support you. Because a burned-out creator creates nothing. This is your time. The gap between passion and profit is no longer a dream. It's a blueprint. People just like you are turning hobbies into income, side hustles into full-time careers, and ideas into movements. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to start. Build one thing, launch it, learn, improve, repeat. This is your time. The internet has given you a stage. The tools have given you the power and your passion. That's your ticket to a life on your terms. So stop waiting. Start building. And let the world see what only you can create. Liked this video? Subscribe for more real-world roadmaps to freedom, creativity, and business. Your dream life isn't waiting. It's under construction. Let's build it. One step at a time.